Hi everyone, this is Vakarj. Today I'm gonna show you how to install and configure Imsoft for your institute. So let's get started now. First of all, you open your browser and go to google.com and type XAMPP download. Click on the first link. You must have to choose 5.6 version of your XAMPP because Imsoft tested with this version, so you must have to choose this version and click on the download button. As I have already downloaded this version, so I'm gonna skip this step and go ahead to the next step. So I'm gonna install it now. Click on next. You should avoid installation of XAMPP into C drive because when you reinstall your Windows, then you don't have to go over all this installation process again. So I'm gonna choose the D drive. To save your data and time, you must have to install your XAMPP into D, E or F. I will name the XAMPP installation directory to XAMPP-5.6.33. This is not compulsory to choose the same name. You are free to choose whatever directory name as you like. Click on next. Click next, next, and wait for the progress bar to be completed. So if you want to start the control panel now, make sure you check this checkbox and click finish. Click on choose the language and save. So this is the XAMPP installation server complete. This is the XAMPP installation server. Let's do the small changes in our php.ini file. To do that, let's click on this configuration button and click on php and click on find. Search for the short open tag. Click find. Change the value of to on and press Ctrl F. Find memory limit. Change the value to 4256. Again press Ctrl F and search for this one. Change it to 20448. Press Ctrl F again and search for this value. File upload max file size and change it to 04. Save the file and close it. When you run the XAMPP control panel, you have to click on these two start buttons next to Apache and MySQL and wait for the ports indication. To make sure this installation is successful, let's verify it. Open your browser and type http://localhost. If you see this screen, it means XAMPP server installation is successfully completed. Now it's time for the Imsoft installation and configuration. First of all, let's import the database. Click on phpMyAdmin link. Click on databases. Create a database, for example Imsoft. click create and then click on import button. Database file included under your zip file which you downloaded from ThemeForest. Let's extract it and import it. This is the file which I downloaded already and I am gonna extract it here. Now I'm gonna import Imsoft database file. This is the file, so I'm gonna import it from phpMyAdmin. Click on import and wait for the installation and uploading process to be completed. Import has been successfully finished. Now it's time for the Imsoft files to be placed into the correct directories. Now I am gonna copy and paste my Imsoft folder under my XAMPP directory. So let's do it. Make sure you go to htdocs under XAMPP folder and paste the folder here, Imsoft folder here. Let's do some changes for your institutions. To do that, we need this file to be changed. dbuserpass.php, common.inc.php, header.php, and we need to replace the logo with your institution logo. So let's change it one by one. So first of all, I'm gonna change dbuserpass.php setting. Go to your includes folder and this file. Put your connections settings here, server localhost, username, password if you have any, and database name. By default I have this setting. Let's open common.inc.php file here. So institute management software, you need to place your institution name here instead of this institution management software. You need to repeat this name also here. Put your street address here and your city and telephone number here. Your street address here again and your city, telephone here, and your street address here also. So these settings are for printing purposes and software display purposes. Finally, you need to replace the logo. To do that, you have to go under my Imsoft images folder, and this is the logo. You have to change the logo here with the same name and extension .jpg. So this all you need to do. Now let's open our Imsoft into browser. To do that, open your browser and type http://localhost Imsoft. So this is all. Installation configuration is done. Default username and admin and password is admin also. So we logged in successfully. So this is the installation of Imsoft. Thanks for watching.